Hey, what's up everybody? I'm just sitting here. I was watching some online videos. I seen a video that says something about the Sprite and not being able to chug it without burping. So I feel like I could do it. I feel like I could do it. So I'm gonna attempt this and we'll see. Get this right here. And I might as well do it now because starting Monday, I'm back to my diet because I will have another fight camp coming up. So, here we go. We got a Sprite, and I'm going to try and chug this without burping. Honestly, like, I chug soda really easily, so I don't think I'm going to have a problem, but we'll see. I feel it a little bit. I definitely feel the burp. It does hurt a little bit. I did finish it, but I was about ready to burp. I definitely had to hold it in. That is interesting that causes you to burp that much. I think that's pretty funny. So there is the Sprite challenge.